last lesson, we learned some Russian letters that look and sound the same as English letters. And these letters are called true friends. Let's take a look at these letters once again. So the first one is K, O, M, Y, almost the same, T, A. And we can even write the word комета with these letters. So these letters shouldn't be really very difficult for you. And if English is not your mother tongue, I'm sure that you can find these letters in your alphabet as well. And now let's read a few words with these letters. So the first one. Атом, мама, какао, Тома. Хорошо. Мока. And don't forget, unstressed O is pronounced as A. Томат. Комета. Том. Такт. Тема. Ота. Мак. Отлично. And today we are going to learn some new Russian letters, and these Russian letters are called false friends. Why false friends? They look the same as English letters, but they are pronounced differently. But with some tricks we can learn them very quickly. Okay, so the first letter is V. V. Here it is. That's how it looks like. V. So this is not B. This is V. Okay, how can we remember this letter? How can we remember this letter? V. V. Just think of the word bravo. Bravo. And if you just keep in mind this word, bravo, this is V. V. That's how it looks like. Bravo. Bravo. Vo. Maybe that's how you can remember this letter better. Or we can do something else. Do you know this kind of bird? Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Look at this letter. Doesn't it look like a woodpecker? Okay, here we have an I. And this is a woodpecker. Maybe this will help you a little bit. So, this letter is called V. V. The sound is V. Perfect. Now let's move to the next letter. Bravo. And the next one is, look at this one. Big and small. No, this is not H, not H. This is N, 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 N. And the sound is N. N. How can we remember this letter? Okay, just think of two neighbors. Okay, so this is neighbor. One person is standing here. Okay. Okay, and this is another person standing there. And these are very nice N very nice neighbors. And look at this. They greet each other with their hands. Neighbors. Nice neighbors. They shake their hands. Nice neighbors. They are very friendly. N. Okay, now let's move to the next letter. And the next one is, and I love this letter, this is R. 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 This is not P, false friend. This is R. How can we remember this one? Maybe you have your own association, but I think with a little bit of imagination, you can think maybe of a rose, of a beautiful flower. Rosa, rosa. R, R, R. Rosa, a rose. Rosa. Хорошо. Good. And the next one is, this one is really very easy. S. S. The sound S. Just think of sickle. Do you know what it is? Sickle? Doesn't it look like a sickle? Sickle. S. S. The sound is S. Let's move to the next letter. Next one is really very interesting. U. U. Big and small. This is U. How can we memorize this letter? Okay, so if you just think of written internet language and of English abbreviation of the word you, so sometimes you write it like that. You. Ooh, so this is the sound we need. Just think always of the abbreviation of the English word you. Ooh, you. Ooh. This is what you hear at the end. Ooh, you. Ooh, ooh. This is ooh. And now the next one. And the next one. Ha. Ha, h. The sound is h. I think we can remember this one if we just think of the Spanish and how they pronounce the word Mexico. 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 H. This is ha. The letter is called ha. And the sound is h. And now I think you are ready to read a few words with our new letters, false friends letters, together with me. Okay, let's start. Вата, ванна, нота, марка, старт, роман, ананас, сумма, рок, вакуум, космос, Москва, евро, автор, вектор, нет. Хорошо. And now it's your turn to read the words. So what about this one? After, after. Don't forget, unstressed O is pronounced as A. After. What about this one? Summa. Нет. А это? Что это? Ванна. Хорошо. А это? Что это? Вата. Что это? Космос. Космос. Вакуум. Вакуум. А это? Москва. Москва. Отлично. Молодцы.